Just in time for the 4th of July, I have a great pie to take to your neighborhood picnic. Come back for the recipe. When I was in college, my communications class, we had to do a presentation, a speaking kind of demonstration, and this is what I made. It's a very, very easy pie, and of course this is one of my mother's recipes. Super simple, but it starts with some limeade, the frozen kind. Just got some limeade, thawed it. This container makes 2 pies, so I refroze the other half, but you only need 6 ounces. So I have 6 ounces of the limeade, and then 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So I just want to mix this together. This is not the prettiest color, so I'm going to add a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of green food coloring. I don't want it to be green, but I don't want it to be that yellowy kind of color either. Be careful with this stuff, a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to mix this together and get that green food color incorporated. Okay, this looks pretty good. So I'm just going to add a container of frozen whipped topping that I've thawed in the refrigerator overnight. It's a 4-ingredient recipe, and it's delicious. So I'm going to partially stir and partially fold this in. Just want to get it all mixed together. You can see how that sort of yellowy color from the limeade is now getting just a little bit of green. The recipe for this was in my first cookbook, Dining Under the Carolina Moon, and I named it Alligator Lime Pie, and I have no idea why, but if you Google Alligator Lime Pie in my name, it will come up. Okay, so this is beautifully mixed, and now I'm just going to pour it into a store-bought crust. You can use, I've used the chocolate ones, these are really good. This one is a shortbread just because I picked up the wrong thing. But graham cracker crusts are good. The sugar cookie crusts, they're good. And just gonna turn this in. I've also pulled out some small pie crust. One recipe will make about 15 of the small pie crust if you want to take them to a party. This is great for potluck. And perfect for an Independence Day bash. So I just want to smooth this. Do a little swirl on the top. Get it all the way to the edges. And then it needs to go into the refrigerator for 3 or 4 hours or overnight to set up before you cut it. Through the magic of television, I made one last night. And it's right here. All I'm going to do is add 3 little slices of lime to the top so that people know what they're eating. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.